Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. All right guys, so what this is a boat attachment for the deeper sonar systems. This one right here is the Deeper Pro 2 Plus, which is an awesome fish finder. Works great, tells you where the fish are, ground features, everything, super nice. So guys, how this works is you clamp this to the side of your boat, and then this is flexible. So it flexes around into the water. And guys, this right here moves up and down and this floats. So if you're off by an inch or two, it doesn't really matter because this is gonna float anyways on the surface of the water, making sure your sonar is sending you the correct signals. Now guys, what I used to do is I used to tie this to a fishing line on my second fishing pole and drag this behind the boat. And guys, it worked, but it was a little bit difficult. You had to, reel it in every time you wanted to reverse so you didn't run it over or get the line stuck in the propeller. I can't tell you how much easier this makes things. And guys, that's my favorite thing about this product is the fact that it just makes things so much simpler. It attaches right to your boat, it's stable, and it just works. You don't have to waste a second fishing pole on a fishing line that you could be fishing with. Instead, you just put this right in the water and you're good to go. And it's just awesome. I highly recommend this product, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.